A pre-cut, 100% glueless, affordable bob wig? Stick around. You gotta see this.
Today's video is from a new vendor that I'm working with, but I've seen them all over TikTok and YouTube, and I'm really excited to work with them. I do want to show you the packaging because I thought it was pretty unique. So this is the box that the unit comes in. In your box, you're gonna get an elastic band for melting your unit, of course, a wig cap, and some eyelashes. But the eyelashes came in a really cute packaging, so that's why I want to make sure I show you guys. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Let me turn it around. As you guys can see, it's like a little diamond thing on top to pull it out. Best packaging I've seen so far on some eyelashes from a hair vendor. So if you order your unit, you're going to get that. Now, what makes this unit different than any other units that I've worked with so far is the fact that this lace comes pre-cut. So all my lazy girls or my beginner girls who just kind of like everything needed to do for a unit is nerve-wracking, this hopefully will be the unit for you. I'm not really sure. I haven't tried it on, so I don't know what it's gonna look like. But this is what it's gonna look like straight out the box.
As you guys can see, the lace does come pre-plucked. The knots are kind of visible at first glance, but I'm gonna show you how to fix that later. This is a 4x6 unit, which means you're gonna have 6 inches of parting space down the middle. And the lace comes cut with ridges to help with blending.
So this cap doesn't have any combs. There's no combs on the side and there's no combs in the back. I know a lot of people who take out the combs on the side. I personally never use the combs on the side. However, I do use the comb in the back. I usually use the comb in the back to tuck it under the adjustable elastic band. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this fits once I put it on. But before I try this on, it does have these crazy bumps on the end. So I'm not rocking my unit looking like that. So let me go ahead and flat iron it first.
Before I bump the unit, I'm gonna go on top of this unit with my wax stick just to make sure the top is nice and flat. Once I'm finished with that, I will go over it with my flat iron and loosen out those bumps on the ends. A more relaxed bump is what I'm going for. And I want you to notice while I'm flat ironing the unit that this hair does come with an asymmetrical cut in the front to frame your face.
I'm gonna go in with my concealer and add some of this color on the lace section of the unit. So just turn it inside out and dust the color along the inside of the unit. Now the lace comes down on the side a little, so you want to make sure you get some color on that to make sure that it blends in with your complexion. And this is how it's looking now. Looks way better. Much better. I also forgot to mention there is an adjustable elastic band on this unit, so depending on the fit, you can adjust it accordingly. Guys, I'm excited. I've never put on a pre-cut human hair wig. The moment of truth. Y'all. Oh my gosh, I am shook. But guys, straight out the box, don't even have to cut the lace.
So I'm headed to dinner with my friend. She's running a little late, so I think I got about 2 or 3 minutes to add some mousse to the edges to help make this melt a little bit more. I wish I would have done this before adding the makeup, but hey, we're gonna get it done. Might as well go ahead and add some couple baby hairs on the side to complete the look. Wait. Let me add a little powder to my forehead. this stocking cap done put a line on my forehead, but I think y'all get the gist. Is she cute or what? Y'all feeling her? She is cute. Yes, yes, yes. I am here for all of this, okay? Now, guys, I am really shocked because I didn't really expect much from this unit. I ain't gonna lie. Right? Came pre-plucked. I really didn't have to do nothing but put the bad boy on and some concealer. Now, if you don't know how to put concealer on the lace, then I really can't help you. This has got to be the most easiest install I've ever done. It's even more easier than my headband wigs, because even with the headband wigs, I had to deal with my hair first and do my edges. This is gold. OMG. They did that. They really did that. But y'all know I really want to rock a side part, but my friend is on her way. Do I have time? Let's see. Y'all know I want to get a side part action going on, but I really don't have time. My friend is almost here, but I want to see what the side part looks like. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with a side part. I do like that I'm still able to wear it behind the ear, even though the lace is not a 13x6. You can still wear it behind the ear, or of course you can wear it down. But okay, of course, you guys already know I prefer the side part, but I am really thoroughly impressed with this unit, guys. I'm not sure if I have a coupon code for this unit, but if I do, I'm going to put it across the screen and it'll be in the description box down below, as always, along with the purchase link for buying this unit. But guys, I gotta run. My dinner date's here, but before I leave, y'all know I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the faithful fam. I love to have you. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my lifestyle channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And as always, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.